Hello YouTube viewers, Dennis here with MarksvilleMe.com. Today we're going to be reviewing a wonderful item by Volmate. This is the digital multimeter. This is the version VOL60D. This is a really handy gadget to have in any household to be able to check your, whether it be your outlets, batteries for like different devices around your house or whatever. It has tons of uses, hence the name Multimeter. And it is digital. It has a really nice face. Comes with 2 electrodes. Comes with this nice silicone sleeve on the device, so that way if it gets a little dirty, you can take this off and clean it up, and you keep your item looking clean and in good working order. It does have a nice little stand on the back that swivels and shuts, so you can set it down to be used, and you can visually see the numbers that are on the LCD readout. So you don't have to worry about keep looking at it, because it is at an angle. You're able to see it without any problems. As for the configuration, I mean, you have tons of different measurements that could be read with this, and you're going to want to have to go into this having a little bit of preconceived knowledge onto what you're going to be using it for. With regard to like the 2 electrode contacts here, there's 3 different holes here. The black is typically the negative, red is typically the positive. You can use it any way you want. I mean, once you have your own item, it's you know, it's going to work for you, but you are going to need to know that certain times it's going to have to be hooked up in certain different configurations, and sometimes you're going to want to refer to the little quick start guide to help get you going with the right thing. In most cases, you're going to just have these 2 configurations here. Usually the only time you're going to really mess around with this 3rd hole is when the polarity of the item that you're going to be testing is not typical of what they normally are. It's got 2 really nice features besides being able to do a variety of readings, but it does have a hold function, which is really nice, so that you can be testing an item and you can push the hold, and it'll hold that that setting on there, so that you can review later on that's, you know, hey, this is the setting I had. And it also has a nice light on it, so it makes it really convenient to be able to visually see the readings that you're getting. I'm going to, as a quick demo here, I got a couple of batteries, a 9-volt battery and a AA battery. In case you didn't know, a AA battery is 1.5 volts. And the 9-volt is 9 volts. But I'm going to test them for you. Almost all batteries will have a plus or minus on them, indicating which side is the positive and which side is the negative. On the 9-volt, it has a plus on this side, negative on this side. And with the AA, as you see here, there's a plus here and a minus on the bottom. You'll probably know from the little raised tip on the AA battery that that's the positive, and the flat end is the negative. But I'll give you a real quick demo here to show you how this item works. And again, I said the negative is on this side, so I'm just going to set it right in the center and hold on to it, so I hopefully don't drop it. And I'll show you the readout is 9.44. So we see that we're getting our 9 volts out of our 9-volt battery. The voltage is not always going to be a static 9 volts. It's going to fluctuate up and down, even in a brand new state. They don't always come exactly 9 volts, but it should be at least 9 volts. And with our AA battery, see if I can pinch this on here so that I can show it to you too. I almost need a 3rd hand. Let me just push that light, and as you see there, got a little more than 1.5 as for the volts. So as you see, both of these batteries are in good working order, and the LCD readout that lights up is really beneficial in this product. When you're all done with your item, you want to turn this to the straight up position, and it will turn off. As you see, it is off now and nothing's working. Close down the back, take off your contacts and put those away. For future reference, if you need to know, this operates actually on a 9-volt battery, which is accessible through this little panel in the back, which is opened with a small Phillips head screw or screwdriver. So if you need to change the battery in this, that's how you would do that. The battery should last a good long time, as 9-volt batteries do last a long time. And in a device like this, I would imagine it's similar to like a remote control for your TV. It's not something that's being used consistently, so the battery life should last a good long time. I just haven't personally figured out how I can test the battery in this while it's being used. So if you have any answers to how that could be done, give me a shout back without using another multimeter, obviously. And I thank you for stopping by at Marksville with me today to go over this wonderful review item by Volmate. And if you want any information about this item, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.